145 million views, 48 million, 6.5 million, 5.2 million, 2.8 million, and the list keeps going. These videos are exploding across YouTube and TikTok. And here's the crazy part. They're unbelievably simple to make. One single AI prompt can create a video that pulls in millions of views. These health-style CGI animation videos are dominating every platform, millions of views, thousands of dollars in revenue, and you don't need a studio or expensive gear, just your mobile phone or laptop. But here's the twist. You can create these exact same viral videos and still have your channel rejected for monetization. In this video, I'm going to show you the one channel in this niche that failed to get monetized, even after pulling massive views. And I'll break down exactly what they did wrong. And at the end of this video, I will also show you the exact channel that did not get monetized and the mistake they made. If you avoid that mistake, your channel will get monetized easily. I'll show you the channel and explain its mistakes step by step. Because this isn't just about going viral. This is about building a long-term, fully monetized, AI-powered YouTube channel that consistently pulls in millions of views. Now let's get started. To create this exact type of viral video, I've prepared a special prompt for you. I've shared it inside my WhatsApp channel, so make sure you join it. Inside the channel, you'll find a Google Docs link. Open that link and you will see the full prompt in front of you. The prompt is long, but don't worry. You only need to customize one thing. Just add the name of the vegetable or food you want the video to be about. Once you've done that, copy the entire prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. When you click the Generate button, ChatGPT will ask you to confirm the food name so it can create the script and video for you. For example, if you type mango, it will ask whether you want the script about mango or something else. Just reply with the correct food name. After that, ChatGPT will generate everything for you, a complete professional-grade script, a detailed image prompt for generating your visuals, and finally, the video prompt to animate everything. In less than a minute, your entire creative foundation, script, image prompt, and video prompt will be ready to go. It's that simple. Now, the first thing we need is the voiceover for our script. To generate the voiceover, take your script and head over to 11 Labs. I've added the link in the description below. When you click it, you'll get 10,000 free credits instantly. Once you open the link, create your account by signing up and logging in. After that, go to the text-to-speech section. Now copy your script and simply paste it into the text box. From here, you can choose any voice you like. Just play a few samples and select the one that fits your video the best. When you're ready, click the Generate button. Within a few seconds, your voiceover will be ready. That's it, your professional voiceover is done. Now, the next step is creating our images. For this, we need the image prompt that ChatGPT generated earlier. There are many AI image tools out there like Nano Banana, Ideogram, and Midjourney, but most of them require payment, and some, like Nano Banana, are not very accurate. So instead, we will use the easiest and most accurate method. After testing everything, I found a method that works perfectly, is free, and gives you clean results every time. You'll notice ChatGPT gave you two things for every scene: a short descriptive paragraph, a technical image prompt. For the best results, we will use both together. First, copy the entire descriptive paragraph. Paste the descriptive paragraph into the free pick prompt box. This gives the AI context and ensures the image looks natural. Now, go back to ChatGPT again and copy the technical CGI prompt. Paste that right underneath the paragraph in free pick. This combination is the secret sauce behind perfect CGI-style visuals. Now scroll down and set. Aspect ratio, 9:16. Number of images, 1. These settings ensure the image is optimized for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Reels. Click Generate, and within a few seconds, your first professional CGI-style image is ready. Exactly. Just remember the sequence. Paste the descriptive paragraph first, then the detailed prompt. Repeat this step for all 12 image prompts until your full visual library is complete. Now that all images are generated, it's time to download them. Click on each image to open it, then hit the Download button. Always select Download PNG to ensure the highest quality. Save every image into a dedicated folder on your computer. Following this step-by-step ensures all your visuals are organized and ready for the next phase. Now for the final step, turning static images into a dynamic, viral-ready video. Our voiceover is ready. Our images are ready. Next, we combine them using the power of Google's VO3 to create a smooth, professional video. Go to the website and click Create with Flow, then select New Project. Now let's animate our images and bring this entire video to life. We're going to turn our static images into moving scenes. Look for the option that says Frame to Video and click on it. Now click the Upload button and select the first image you generated. Remember the video prompts ChatGPT gave us? Copy the first one, then paste it into the prompt box in VO3. Before we generate, click the Settings button and make sure to select Aspect Ratio, 9:16 model, VO3, or the latest available. Now just click the Generate button. Within seconds, VO3 will transform your static image into a dynamic, moving video clip. Repeat this exact same step for every single image. You'll use each corresponding video prompt from ChatGPT. Once you've processed all your images, you'll have a full set of beautiful animated video clips, perfectly synced to your script's narrative. Perfect! I've just repeated that process for every single image. Now I'm quickly downloading each completed video clip. Just click the download button next to each one, and they'll save directly to your device. The final step is here, assembling everything into a viral, ready video. This is where it all comes together, and it's surprisingly simple. We'll be using CapCut because it's free and powerful. Open CapCut on your computer, click New Project, and then hit the Import button first, import your voiceover, and all the animated video clips we just downloaded from VO3. Now, drag your voiceover track onto the timeline first. This is your foundation. Listen through it and trim out any unwanted pauses or mistakes to make it tight and engaging. With your clean voiceover ready, it's time to add the visuals. Listen carefully to your voiceover. For each sentence or idea, drag the corresponding video clip onto the timeline above the voiceover. See how that works? Just match the visuals to the words. I'm going to quickly adjust and trim all my clips so they flow perfectly with the narration. And just like that, with all your clips placed and synced, your video is complete. Now, let's add the final professional polish to make your video stand out. See the space between your video clips? Click on the Transitions option. CapCut has a huge library of smooth transitions. You can choose any one you like. For this style, a simple fade or a subtle slide works perfectly. Just drag and drop the transition between your clips or click the little plus icon to apply it. Instantly, your video feels more connected and professional. Next, let's make it even more engaging. Click on the Text tab and then select Auto Captions. CapCut will automatically generate captions from your voiceover. Always take a moment to edit them for accuracy and choose a font style that matches your brand. Finally, you can explore the Effects and Audio tabs to add subtle background music or light visual effects if you want. But often, keeping it clean is best, and we're done. The final step is to click the Export button. Choose the highest quality settings, and with one click, your fully finished, viral-ready video will be saved directly to your device. Now, let's preview our final result. And I'll reveal the critical secret. Look at this side by side. On the left, a video with 146 million views. But this channel is not monetized. Why? Because it has no voiceover, no story, no value. It's just random clips. The YouTube algorithm sees no real content here. But the channels on the right, creating the exact same style of video with a voiceover and script, they are monetized. They added a narrative, provided value, and transformed simple clips into real content. This is the secret I promised you. If you enjoyed this step-by-step guide and want to learn the exact strategies to get your channel approved, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. As I've shown you, you can create this viral content for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. You have everything you need to start attracting millions of views and building a real income. Now let's watch the final result of the video we just created together.
When you take a bite of a juicy mango, your mouth instantly fills with sweetness as your teeth crush the soft fibers and saliva enzymes begin breaking down natural sugars. The tongue pushes this fruity mixture backward into your throat, where it slides smoothly down the esophagus through rhythmic peristaltic waves. As it enters your stomach, powerful acids and enzymes dissolve the mango pulp, transforming it into a nutrient-rich chyme. This chyme moves into the small intestine, where enzymes continue digesting carbohydrates and vitamins, allowing vitamin C, vitamin A, and antioxidants to be absorbed through the tiny villi into the bloodstream. These glowing nutrients travel to your skin cells, promoting collagen production and protecting them from free radicals. Meanwhile, the mango's fiber sweeps through your intestines, aiding digestion and promoting gut movement. Within minutes, your body is refreshed, hydrated, and glowing from the inside, all thanks to the skin-loving power of mango.